Hi friend, and welcome to my channel! Let's draw a sweet baby unicorn together! Are you ready? Let's start! Draw 2 circles for the eye. Two curved lines for the eyelashes and 2 small circles inside the eye. Draw the second eye in the same way. Draw 2 semicircles for the mouth and 2 curved lines on the sides. Draw the horn with a semicircle and 6 curved lines. Follow me while I'm drawing it. Then, draw 3 curved lines inside it. Draw the mane with a curved line, a semicircle, and a curved line. Draw a U-shaped line for the mouth. Draw the face outline with a curved line, a semicircle, and a curved line. Draw another top of the mane with 2 curved lines. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Draw the ear with 2 curved lines. Then draw the edge following the shape you previously drew. Draw the second ear in the same way. Draw a curved line for the top of the mane, a wavy line, and a curved line for the side locks. Now draw the front paws with a curved line, a semicircle, another curved line for each paw. Draw the body with a diagonal line, a curved line, an inverted U-shaped line, a diagonal line, and another curved line for the paw. Draw a heart between the paws. Draw a curved line for the belly. Then draw the second hind leg with a curved line, another curved line, a diagonal line, and a curved line. A diagonal line, and another curved line for the paw. Draw 2 curved lines for the front legs. Draw the tail with a wavy line and a curved line. Now draw 2 small clouds and 8 semicircles for the rainbow in the background. Wow! Our drawing turned out great! Now let's get the colors. Use black for the eyelashes and eyes. Use light pink for the ears, face, body, and pose. Use red for the first semicircle of the rainbow, for the mouth, and for the head. Use orange for the second semicircle, the inside of the ears and the horn. Use yellow for the third semicircle and the bottom of the legs. Use green for the first semicircle of the rainbow. Use light blue for the clouds and the fifth semicircle. Color the sixth semicircle with indigo. And use purple for the last semicircle for the mane and for the tail. Excellent! Our baby unicorn turned out great and is ready to play with you. Good job! Goodbye, friends. See you soon.